Hey guys, what's up? So look, welcome to this video. I want to show you a really effective trick for improving all your communication. Now, this is mostly for emails where we're either selling or we're talking to a client that we already have and we want to try persuade someone. So maybe you're trying to close a deal, maybe you're trying to get a client to just hurry up and send you some information, maybe you're trying to get some referrals or a warm lead from a project that you already completed. Whatever it is that you're writing down, sending these emails, I'm going to show you something to make them way more effective, way more persuasive, and to get people to take that action that you're trying to get them to take. Now, this works for emails, but it also works for Facebook posts. It works for any sort of advertising or marketing, if you're writing on forums, whatever it is. So what we're going to do is jump in the computer. I'm going to show you this really, really simple. If you stick with me on this video, you'll know how to do it in basically a couple of minutes. Any questions, let me know below. If you haven't subscribed, please do like the video, leave a comment, all that sort of stuff. So let's jump into it right away. Okay, so let's get right into it. This is a typical email maybe that you would write trying to get a website sale, trying to persuade someone to get in touch with you, to make contact so you can start moving towards a sale. Now, I want to read through this and then I want to show you one simple thing that you could change with these type of emails to make them like 100 times more effective, 100 times more likely to sell. So let's just quickly read through it, see if you can spot what I'm going to change as I'm reading through it, and then I'll get right into how to improve this. Hello, Dave. I'm emailing because I'm hoping that I can help build you a new website. I saw your current website is old and that there are some issues that I can help fix, and I wanted to make you a new one. I really enjoy doing web design and I'm sure that I could help make a great new website for you. I wanted to talk to you and see if this is possible. I've been doing web design for the last 2 years and I've built dozens of great looking websites. I would really like to talk to you this week and see how I can work with you. Can we set up a time so I can talk to you soon? I also have examples of past websites if you wish to see them. Also, I hope you have a good day and that I can make a website for you. Thanks, Jimmy. Okay, can you guess what I might think could be improved with this email? I'm going to show you right now. Basically, control find, search for the word I, and I put a space in here as well. And you can see how many times this person emailing is talking from their point of view. So 18 times within the short email that they're saying things from their perspective. I'm emailing because I'm hoping that I can help you. I saw your current website, I could fix, I wanted, I really enjoy, I am, I could, I have, I would like, I can, I also. So you can see what I'm getting at here. When you write with this I am, I have, I can, I want approach, the other person within seconds loses interest. Even if you're trying to help them, they just don't care. Their brain is looking at this and all they're processing is this person's talking about themselves, what they want to do, what they care about, what they want to have. And I just don't have time to focus on that. I got to think about what I need, what I want, what's important for me, what's important for my business. Now that might seem kind of strange. You might think, well, this is an email here where this person's reaching out to help their business. They see a problem and they want to help this person, Dave. Jimmy's reaching out here and his whole message is about helping Dave. But that's not how Dave's going to see it. Dave has 1,000 emails in his inbox. He's got 1,000 things to do today. And when he reads this, all his brain is registering is I am, I can. And his brain is telling him, hey, this is something we should probably ignore because this isn't relevant to us. This doesn't matter. We got 1,000 different things to do and we got to make progress with our own stuff. Let's just ignore this and let's focus on what's important for us. So there's a part of your brain called the RAS system, and its job is to basically filter out things that don't matter and just focus on what's important to achieve the things that matter in your own life. It does this all the time. If you're hungry, it's going to search for food. If you're looking for a job, it's going to look for job opportunities. When you open emails, business owners, what they care about is their own business. And if they read something like this, their RAS, their brain is basically telling them, this isn't important to us. This is someone talking about themselves. Let's just ignore this. So we don't want that to happen. All we have to do is just change things around, change up how we're talking, still the same message, but just change up how we're talking. And it's going to register 1,000,000 times better. It's going to get their interest and they're going to see why they should care about this, why they should contact us, and why they should maybe possibly work together. So I'm just going to quickly rewrite this and show you the difference that just taking out all these I's can make in changing how effective your message is going to be. Okay, so here's the new version. Let's go through it really fast. Hello, Dave. Just a quick email to reach out to you. Right now on your website, there are a few sections that seem like they could be quickly improved. Here are a few parts that have some issues at the moment. Your contact form is broken, so it doesn't allow people to select some of the options. Your map is no longer working, so people can't see your location any longer. Your SSL cert is out of date. This means people think your website is not secure. The problem with these issues is that you could be losing some sales and leaving a bad first impression. The good news is that they're all easy to fix. If it works for you, we could have a quick call and discuss a very affordable solution that means your website is back working right away. Is that something you'd be interested in? Jimmy. Also, Dave, here are some recent projects of mine so you can get an idea of my work and the results I like to get for business owners such as yourself. Okay, so I hope you can see straight away that this is going to be way more persuasive. When Dave, the business owner, reads this, he's actually going to care. This is about his business. It's written from his perspective, showing him things like his problems that's going on, how easy it is to fix, why he should fix it, why it is a problem, that it's going to be affordable, all these things. It's all about him, his situation, getting him to a better place, getting him results, improving his life, improving his business. Let's do the little test here with the I thing. We just got one down here at the bottom. And basically the only reason it's there is just to make sense in that sentence so that we can show him that we're qualified to help him and that we've helped other people in the past. Everything else in here, if I go back and I search you can see how much of this email is written from his perspective. So when he reads this, his brain, what we just talked about, your ORAS system, this thing is going to fire up. Hey, this is valuable. This is useful. This is something we should pay attention to. This is going to help our current situation. This is something that we should read. We should respond. We should look into this. We should consider this. That's exactly what you want that other person to be thinking when they read your emails. If it's all from that I perspective, they're just quickly going to get bored. They're not going to see the purpose in reading your email. They're not going to see the purpose in responding. They don't see the value. They don't see the reason to actually care. These two emails here are basically saying the same thing, that there's a problem with this business website and that this person wants to reach out and help them fix that problem. This first email though screams all about Jimmy, what Jimmy wants, what Jimmy cares about, what Jimmy hopes to do. This email down here though is all about the business owner, showing Dave why this is important, what the current situation is, why that's a problem, how it's easy to fix, what fixing that problem is going to mean for him, the value that can be brought to the business, how the situation is going to improve easily and affordably. So keep this in mind, really, really easy. Before you send any sort of communication, before you send an email, before you cold email, sales email, project email, Control F, search how many times you're using the word I. If you're using it a lot, consider changing it around. Exact same thing with Facebook posts, any sort of advertising that you're doing, any sort of marketing. If you're posting up in a forum, people want to read stuff that's about them, written from their perspective. When you just talk about yourself, even if you're trying to help other people, they're quickly going to tune out. They're not going to care. It's not going to help you sell. It's not going to help you persuade people. And just across the board, it's not an effective way to communicate. Okay, so that's it for this video. I really hope that it helps, that it's a ton of value for you, and that it's something that you use from now on when you're writing any sort of message, when you're sending an email. Let me know what you think below. Like the video if you got some value from this, and please subscribe. Catch you in the next video.